Alright, what up YouTube? It's your boy Hit Me Meet You, and I'm back again with another video. Now, I wasn't going to upload this video just off the simple fact that it's just a little bit boring, but good sound clips, I think so. So, here y'all go, man. Make sure y'all enjoy, like, subscribe, and comment, man.
right, y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that small GoPro footage. I know I ain't cut up as much because, like I said, we still trying to get the axle situated, but I still got to put out content. Yes, the axles are, you know, they need to be done. They just need to be done. I know that they need to be done. So yeah, we changed a few things up on the car. I don't know if I talked about this in my last video. Y'all already know we got the Hellcat hood, which we need paint, not painted, but we're just gonna go ahead and get the hood wrapped. We're gonna get the hood wrapped. We gotta get that wrapped. As y'all can see, we got some new side mirrors. I don't know if I put that in the video. We also put another wicker bill and spoiler on the car. This is the big carbon fiber, as y'all can see, to match the side mirrors, door handles, and the front splitter. And then also we went with a more aggressive rear diffuser. Now, I had plans on doing quad tips, but I'm gonna just leave it at this with the gloss black, as y'all can see, and look a lot more aggressive, honestly. Let me flip these lights real quick so y'all can see a little something. Also, yeah, as y'all can see, we got that, yeah, we got that GoPro mounted up. And yeah, we ain't cut up as much, but we did a little cutting up, man. So when this car is fully tuned, when we got that fuel pump, or we probably do a booster pump. I was doing some research, and we might just do a booster pump, which is a lot easier. I mean, well, both of them is pretty easy, but we most likely end up going with the booster pump for the car, and then we'll dial in that fuel some more, throw some more fuel at it, so we can get this car at around 6 to 8 pounds of boost, which will make this car pretty fast for what it is. I'll be pretty much good with that for the time being. For the time being, with it being that 6 to 8 pounds of boost, I'll be cool with that. Probably later on down the line, I do have an exhaust though that I want to put on. I got a 3-inch exhaust that's gonna be running from, you know, the X pipe all the way back until some 5-inch tips. Now these are 5-inch tips, but we're gonna upgrade these exhaust tips to a gloss black exhaust tip. I don't know when that's coming, but I already have the exhaust with me. It's at home, and then I got the axles in the back of the truck. Now, shock absorbers, but I'm thinking about selling those and going the coilover route, because, hear me out, yeah, the front sits just how I want it to, but that back, these are 45s. Pretty soon I'm gonna do 275 40 20s, so it's gonna be a thinner wall, and I want that a little bit lower in the back, so that's how we might rock out on the back. So I was looking at some coilovers too, some performance coilovers, so with all this power it could be putting down, you know, because right now the car is still on, even though it's on iBox Sportline lowering springs, you know, everything else is still stock, and it's 116K miles on this 300. So yeah, y'all just make sure y'all keep rocking with your boy. Thank y'all for the 13,000 subscribers, and also, man, y'all blew up my last video, and y'all blew up my short too. Want to thank y'all for all the love and support. Damn, I can't talk. Want to thank y'all for all the love and support that y'all have been giving me. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. We do be having some people in the comments saying, "Oh, he drives like a..." It's my fucking car. I can drive my car however I want to drive my car. You feel me? You want to go see some reckless shit? Go to somebody else's channel, please. But if you want to see you want to see me keep building this motherfucker, you want to see me keep building it and not blow the bitch up before I even get to drive it, then, you know, let me know. Or not, it don't matter. But yeah, as y'all can see, like I said, hopefully y'all enjoyed that little highway GoPro content, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video, man. Peace. We gone.